So hi guys, welcome to IT Jobs and Gate Updates. So I've been recently receiving calls, text on my Telegram and text on my Instagram that most of you have recently been hired in the second phase. Some of you are from still phase one and haven't received your date of joining, haven't received your enterprise ID and all, and even your assets. So I'll be discussing each of the queries that you have given me, and I'll try to find the solution for you. So first thing I'll be discussing about the second phase students. So if you have been hired, then and your documents haven't been approved, or if you're getting a rejection for your documents, so one thing you can do is to not use a stock camera app. Better go for a scanner if you have it, or you can use Google Scan or Go Scanner and try to increase the contrast of the image by 2 to 4%. It will clearly won't blur out the parts, and it will increase the image clarity, and thus it would be really good for your documents. The second thing, that you haven't received your models. So I have been receiving so many comments that you haven't received your models and your friends have received that. So you'll be getting models pretty soon. It may take a couple of days, so it is a hectic process and there are various batches. So you'll be getting your models based on your batch, and all the guys on your batch will be getting the models on more or less same day. So if your documents have been approved, or some of them have been approved, so you'll be getting it within a week. And don't you worry if some are getting earlier. The dates for the assessments and to clear the models would be same, and same for all of you, so you don't need to worry about it. And some of the guys who are from phase 1 hiring, who have cleared even the TFA with great scores, are still or are on hold and haven't received their date of joining, haven't been onboarded and all. So the process really hectic, and I have been in touch with seniors, and they informed me that they need to set up your enterprise ID, set up the portals within the organization which refers to different sections, and they need to create your assets, register the assets, and there are very much various processes that takes place before they are ready to onboard you. So you don't need to worry about your offers won't be rolled off. They won't terminate you. You just It is just taking some time, and you just need to be sit and be patient. So meanwhile, what you can do is enhance your skills. You may improve your coding skills and do anything that you feel like. So you just don't need to worry. What you may also do that, you can text your respective HR. So if you have attended your C2C meeting, you would have been assigned your HR. So you may get in contact with them, or you may email the onboarding team or the HR team about the same. And the meanwhile, you can do some formalities, complete the formalities which are needed beyond after the onboarding. That is, get your documents ready to courier them. You may get print of all and wet sign them, and you may get your uh, bank account set up, your salary account, and it will really easy process for the next stages. And meanwhile, what you can do is just be patient and wait for the update from them, and mail them to ensure from your end, and that would be all about it. And just don't need to worry, you are still on the team, and hoping to see you soon on board. So hope this clears your doubts, and you don't need to be stressed about it really. And that would be all. Stay at home, stay safe, and I'll be back with another video. And meanwhile, if you have any queries, you feel free to contact me on my Instagram, which I have added in the description. You may like the comment if it was really helpful and informative. Share with your friends who are in the same situation, or your friends who are facing some issues. So this will try to help them at least. And if you press the like button, it will really help to reach the people, the correct people. And that would be all about it. So see you soon and take care.